How to change Apple ID country or region on iPhone. Whether you've moved to a new country or need access to apps and services available in another region, here's how to do it. Start by opening the App Store on your iPhone and tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Then tap your Apple account at the top. You may be asked to sign in with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple account password. Next, tap Country Region. Choose your new country from the list. Review the Apple Media Services terms and conditions, and tap Agree to continue. After that, you'll need to enter a valid payment method and a billing address for the new country or region. If Apple allows it in your selected region, you may also be able to choose None as the payment method. Once you've entered the required information, tap Done to save your changes. Keep in mind that before changing your Apple account country, you should spend any remaining Apple account balance, cancel active subscriptions if required, and make sure you have a valid payment method for the new region. Otherwise, the change may not be completed successfully. And that's it. Your Apple ID country or region will be updated, giving you access to the App Store content available in your selected country. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more iPhone tips and tutorials.